Hello, Kyle's Garage viewers, and welcome to an unboxing of this. This is the from Harbor Freight Bauer 7 amp 11,000 RPM 4.5 inch heavy duty slide switch angle grinder. Right there. Opening. Oh yeah, I tossed those in there because so I guess I have sort of opened it and then I just tossed those in there. Yeah, I bought that too. Don't worry about any of that. Comes with some stuff. Well, immediately I notice that is like a really nice cord. Extremely nice cord, actually. Doesn't feel cheap or like that really hard plastic or anything. Comes with your standard safety equipment, which, you know, that's really up to you whether you want to use this or not. Oh, it's got some kind of quick release lever. Wow, that's kind of fancy. The good old handle so you don't, you know, lose whatever you're doing. The wrench for doing the things. I think that's it. Okay. Feels relatively okay, I guess. I guess that's about as good as you're gonna get with a Harbor Freight piece, but that's actually not terrible. Yeah, not too bad. And what I really need is a lot of cutting, so I got these just to kind of like test this thing out and start with. Of course, it'll take like a different variety of widenesses, I'm believing, because of it's got this piece here, and it's got your collar piece. So yeah, it goes like pretty good thickness, I would say. Difference. Oh, I dropped it. Don't want to go too tight. I got that way off center. And I got it clamped in there sideways. Every once in a while, you know, you're an idiot. I suppose maybe I should put this on here, you know, just so I have something good to hold on to. Besides like one hand in it. I don't think I really need that safety, you know. I'm going to go without it for the trial run to make sure that it's, you know, everything's working properly until I can see it, you know. Just leave that off. You don't need no damn safety devices. I figured you weirdos wouldn't want me to just like put it together and not actually try it, so I'm going to cut through this random thing that I've got. This is the first time of me turning it on. That was too easy. Let's give this thing like a more of a workout. This thing's like a, I don't know what that would be, 1/4 inch thick steel thingy. Nice. Ah. Alright, you guys got to see me unbox the Bauer, whatever it was, angle grinder. It was the, what do they call it? It was a 7 amp, 4.5 inch heavy duty, as they say. But I'm gonna have to say that just a couple little tests I put it through, I think it's gonna work for everything I need it for. It's not like I'm gonna be working every single day with it. It's just on different projects and whatever I need for it. But yeah, Harbor Freight, it was like 50 bucks or something. Totally worth it. I mean, a DeWalt is probably, you know, another $20, $30 more. But with this one, literally the lady told me to bring it back in 2 years if I get this warranty, which I did get a warranty. I can't remember how much the warranty cost, but totally worth it. She told me to bring it back in 2 years and just get a new one, even if it's dirty or whatever. So yeah, Harbor Freight for the win. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.